So today I'm going to discuss about how to create applications and under the application. So how we can create the modules. So you may have questions like what is application and what is the module. So I will tell you that here. So actually this is the application. Okay. So this is application. This under self-service we have the business application and dashboards and everything we have, right? These are the modules. Okay. So this is the application name. So under this application name, so we have multiple modules are there. So for example, if you click on, if you type with incident, so under the incident, just just a second. So under the incident, this is application. So under the application, so we have the create new module and assign to me module and open the module and open unassigned module. Okay, resolved also one of the module. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So five, whatever we are able to see these five under the incident. So we can call it them as a modules. Okay, so these modules where are exactly these models are there under the incident. So that is the reason we can call it that this is the application. Okay, now I'm going to create like a service no practice that application name and under the service no application, sorry, under the service no practice application, then I will create this like a create new assign to me and open unassign these things, these models I'm going to create. Okay, so actually what is the purpose exactly, so I will let you know. So I told you, right, incident. So just come, just a second. So once you are able to see this, right, the incident. So incident means once you click on the create new, that means that it will reflect that new form. So you need to create the incident that will form this form purpose is like you need to create the incident. That form it will show you. Okay, I will just open that. I will open. So you will be able to see that like this is completely new form. So this one, just I have clicked on this, right? So that is open here. So this create new, this module purpose is just it will give this form and we need to give the mandatory fields and just we need to submit it. So once it is submitted, then it will go to the list view. Like list view means, so here the create new, right? So just I have opened, I just give it information and submitted. Once I have submitted, so that instead will come here in the open state. This is the open. So whatever the incident has been submitted, then it will come here. Okay, I will show you that. Just here, just I am going to test to one. I have given the share description and just I submitting. Okay, mandatory fields I need to submit. You can submit it. Once you have submitted, then just if I refresh it now, the 42 instances are there. Now if you refresh it, it will come 43. See, so which is I have created test now, this one, right? So this is a create new form. This is the list view which are created already that will show here. So how it is showing like that? Because of these modules. Create new modules means the new form will show you. Open means already which are opened recently, not recently, which are open state that will show here. Okay, assigned to me. Assigned to me means if this incident assigned to me, then it will show in this module. So in this module, okay. So open and assigned. So if any incident created but not assigned to any assigned to field, then we will be able to see here. Once incident is resolved, this state is resolved, then automatically that incident will come under the resolved. Okay, this under this module. So I hope like why we need to create the modules under the application. Just you may get the clarity, right? So now I'm going to create the new application and modules. So just I will close this. So this is a new module and a new application I'm going to create. Just I will type it that application menu. Okay. So once I click on that application, just I once I type it with application menu, then I'm able to see that application menus. Okay. Just open it once. Once you have opened that, we can go with the new option. Okay, so once we open that new, we need to give the title like a service now practice. Just you can give it practice. Practice. Yeah. Yeah means application. Okay, I have given the title of that application menu name. Now I will give like this is optional. Like either you want to give the any role to restrict the application to end users. If you give ITAL role, so who is having ITAL role, they can access this application. So if you don't, I mean, assign any role here, then everybody can access the role who can access the service node. Okay, I hope you got it. Purpose of this and application means global. So this application, what I'm going to create application menu modules, right? So those will be available for the globally. Like globally means so this one like whatever we are able to see these applications, right? That will show here in that globally. Everybody can see that. Okay, so category the custom applications. So we are creating the application, right? So that is the reason it will come with custom means just we are creating from our side. Okay, hint. So Venkat has created, it means once you just uh, if you open an, I mean, if you go on that business application, then it will give the hint like this application has been created by Venkat. Like that, it will give the hint. I will show you that is, how we can. It will show you. But once just I'm going to create now. Venkat has created this uh, created this application. Okay, so it will help you to understand that who has created the application. In the real time, just we are not supposed to give this information. Then just what is the purpose of that application, that in description we can give here. Okay, so it's the same thing, just I will copy and paste it here. That's it. And now just I will save it. And once I saved it, then we will be able to see that related list under this application. See, so we are able to see this modules. This is the application name. Okay, I told you, right? This is like application's name. This is the application name. This is the modules. Same thing. No, I have created this one, but I need to create these modules, right? So just I need to come here and we have that option new. So just you can go with the new. Once we have click on that, it will show you that module form. So here just you need to give that create new. So this is one module. Whatever whatever the form, if it is end user want to create a new record, then they need to go through this module and they can submit the record. So how we can give that new form to end user, then I will give here information. Just here I have given the create new. This is application name and order is 10. Order means like this is the order. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Else you can give that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that we can give that. But anyway, I'm going to give that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Like that I'm going to give you. Okay. So this is the 10 and hint. So just I will give that end user will create the new form, I mean new record. So just I will give this hint. When anybody cursor, anybody go with cursor on that a module, it will show you this information. I hope you got it that. So it will be visible for the global. Okay, so visibility. So I told you, right? So visibly, like if whatever assigning roles here, if you assign any ITL role here, then end user should have that ITL role to access module. If they don't have ITL role, they can't access my menu. Sorry, module. So that is the reason. This is optional, and if it is mandate, I mean, if you want to add it, you can add the specific role. If you want to add it admin role also, you can add it. Okay, that is not a problem. So override application menu. So it means here, okay, just a second. Just I will duplicate. So here previously we have created that application menu, right? If you add ITL role here, so in the module also, just you want to apply this role to here. I mean, override the application menu rules. Like if you add ITL role here, then so you don't want to add this role to this module, then just you can click on that ITA, sorry, checkbox. Then without ITL role also, the end user will access this module. Okay, they may not access this application, but they may access the, I mean, they can access this module. Okay, so anyway, I think this is also optional. Like as per requirement, we can, whatever that options we can enable it. That's it. So and link type also, it is mandatory, right? So here main thing you need to remember. So as of now, I'm telling that create new module, right? So create new modules means new record, right? So not a list records. That should be the new record. So that is when just you can select the new record. Once you have selected, so the table, whatever, I think in earlier classes we have created one table, right? So that table, this one. So service no practice, right? We have created in earlier sessions. I think if you don't watch that, please, I mean, if you did not watch the previous videos, please go with that, and you can understand which table I have created. So same table, just I am selecting here for for this session. Okay, so I have selected. There is no practice. That's it. So I am going to just sorry, yeah, submit it. Once I have submitted, just we can, this is a previous one, right? Application we have, sorry, application menu we have created, right? Yeah, so this is application that we have created. Refresh it. So we have created one module. So here, so this is a create new we have created, right? So anyway, it is better to duplicate it, and in that we can create, because sometimes directly the tab will be closed. So that would be great if you create it. I mean, if you duplicate it. So now I'm going to create a new module again. So click on that new. So here, just give the one more that create new and list, for example, just you can reference with instant table modules. That same thing we can apply here. So here, create new and assign to me, right? So just assign to me model, you can create it. Assign to me. Just I have given that same name, and you know, just we can rename any module in the service now, and but application name should be different. Under applications we can create the multiple names same as a other application modules. Okay, I hope you got it that what I'm telling. So you may have questions that you already sent to me is already there, and create new also already there in the instant application. Again, you are why you are creating this same name. You may have questions, but you know we can create with the same names which are already in the other applications modules. Okay, but we are not supposed to create applications names as a same with other name other applications. Just remember this point. That's it. And here just I'm going to give the for earlier module I have given the order as a 10, and just I'm giving here as a 20 for this module. So it was directly selecting with ServiceNow practice application, which is I have created, and now I am going to give into that. This is the this records. These records for assign to person records. Like I can only do just we can give this information enough. and visibility. I already told you right, roles and override this concept also. So this active means if we don't enable it, then this module won't be available for in the navigator. Okay, so it is always should be enabled. Here just I'm going to select that list of records only, but I need to give the one condition. I will tell you that condition. So service now properties, this is same we have created. So this is practice I'm selecting. This is the table we have created earlier. So here I'm going to select that. Sorry, I need to keep the condition because just the clearly it is saying that this clearly it is saying right. So assigned to me is it means like whoever the logged in user. Like you can take example, I am the system administration, right? System administrator, right? So if any incident assigned to system administration, only that instance that record should be available in the my queue. So in this case, I need to keep some condition, right? Like filter. So I'm going to do that now. So assign to assign to just a second. Assign to is reference is not empty start with contains same as different as dynamic. So assigned to is me. It means so I'm on the system administration, right? It means assigned to me means whatever the records assigned to me that should be available in the list view, right? So that means that now I have kept the condition that assigned to me is me. This means whatever the records are assigned to the system administration, that records will should be showed in the our module. So in the practically, I will show you that no problem. So just whatever I'm giving here instructions and everything, it should be working fine as we expected. Don't worry about that. So once we have tested, and once everything is done, then we can test it. That should be that will be working as expected. I think. So I will show you that. So just I'm submitting now. So now two two models are created. So create new and assign to me. So these models I have created. Now I'm going to create new one. So here I'm going to give that. Create new, assign to me, and open, right? So open, I'm going to create now. So open module. Open module means whatever the records. For example, you can take it that incident. The incident has been created and the state is open, right? So that means that based on the state, like state is open, right? So based on that, so whatever the instance are with the open state, that will be come under this model. Okay, now I'm going to create the open. So whatever the records created under the service no practice table, that will come under the this open module. So if the record state is open, then only that will come under the this module. Just I will give that information. So whatever the records are open state, then they will appear. They will come under this module. Just I will keep it like this only. So order is 30. Okay. Now I have given that order is 30 and visibility is same thing. I think I don't want to do any changes on this because I told you right what is the purpose of this. I think once you have got through this, you will understand everything. That is not a problem. This is not a big role, actually big responsibility. This is a, like the behavior of the form and everything what we are going to create now. So just go to the click link type. So here you can select it that the list records only. The table same thing which is we have selected earlier. Service now practice only. Just here we need to keep the state is open. So state we can select it and say, oh, okay. So here actually whatever the ServiceNow application we have, right? Not ServiceNow application. So whatever the tables are there, right? ServiceNow table practice is there, right? The table, in the table I did not create any field choices. So that is the reason the choice here it is not showing. Okay. So anyway, no problem. Just select the state only. Just submit it. Once you have submitted, now we have created three fields, right? So now I am going to create one more module. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. So 6. Again, I'm going to create, open, assigned, and resolve, and all. So as of now, created, assigned to me, open. These three just I have created in our ServiceNow practice table. Now I'm going to create, open, assign one. Okay. So create new. So here I am just giving that assigned, unassigned to open. Just this module name is there. This is the module name, and just I'm giving the party of the order. So hint is, so whatever the incidents are, whatever the incidents are unassigned and open state, that will be that commander that comes under this module. Okay, so same thing visible. I don't want to change anything. Just here I need to select that list records and table, same thing which is we have selected earlier. So just again given that service now practice. That's it. Once we have given that, and here filter is the okay. I think actually all I told you, right. There is no we did not create any fields choice on the our table. So that is the reason we have created the choice field types, but in that field types we did not create any data, right? Dummy data. So that is the reason we are not able to see that any data. You can see that now we can just say state. The state is C. Only none only it is showing, but in that state field we did not create any dummy data, right? Like open and pending and progress and closed and resolved. These things we did not create. So that is the reason it is not showing. If you want, so I will, let me create dummy data so for you, and that will be, for practicing purpose you will come to know that exactly. So tables, I'm just opening the tables which is we have created previously. So here we have tables. Just open that. We need to find that which table we have created earlier in the starting of the class. Just service now have kept, because that only I have remember. So service now. Label contains this is the we have created. Next time opening that. So else I will take it name here, and I'm opening directly through the directly opening key from here. I'm going to create the new. I'm going to create the some data, the state. Okay. So state. This is the state. Just I'm going to click on the right click of the state, and I'm going to with the configure dictionary. Once it is opened, then I'm going to create a choices here. So this is the choice option, right? So under the related to the state, just I'm going to create the new. So I'm going to create the choices to the new option. Just here label, you can select that open value, open dependent value, nothing, sequence 10. I'm going to save it. That's it. So you can again I'm creating, just a second. here I want to show you that created, sorry, I want to show you that I have created open, right? So it is creating or not. So I want to show you now. If you click on this none, so open, that option should be there. See, okay, this is the we have created as of now. Now I'm going to create multiple options like open, right? Now we have created open. Now I'm going to create so pending and work in progress and resolved and closed and cancelled. So these options I will be creating. So here itself I will create it. Just remove that label, right? Just I remove that and working and working progress. And the same thing I have copied and the same in the value you need to keep it because label and value is same, but label is it will be visible for the end user and value is should be visible for the value will be used by the developer. Okay, developer make changes to the value, but this label only for the end user. End user can act, able to see this. Okay, just remember this difference between the label and value. And some for the some tables, so label name also there, label also there, but name also should be there. So name will be used by the for the development purpose. Name will be used by the developers and label it will be visible for the end users. That's it. Okay, so now what was I kept that, so everything is fine. So state yes, just right click, don't save it, just you need to select insert and stay. Okay, this means the whatever created already open, right, that will be already that was created already, right? So again along with that a new value will be created, which is the I have created work in progress. Okay, new value will be created along with the open. So it means so it will be adding with this new options. Just I'm going to insert and stay. So once I'm done with insert and stay. So just you can refresh it now. So we will be able to see the two options in the state. One is none and work in progress. See, okay. Now I'm going to create pending. So pending. Just to take it that and come here. Same thing we can apply and click on the right click and insert and stay. That's it. So now again the pending has been created. Take it. So see, right, open and pending and work in progress. So that's it. And here I'm going to give one more thing, that resolved. Resolved. So order is I will make that 40. Just I will keep the insert and stay. So that's it, guys. So and one more field is there. I will create it. So you can open and pending and work in progress and resolve. Now I am going to create the closed and cancelled. So these two are pending. Now I am going to do that closed and this one also closed. So the here you need to keep that 50. So just you need to keep insert and stay. Once you are done with insert and stay, then you can refresh it here. Once you have refreshed it, then state will be updated with closed. This almost we have created 5 options, right? Now I'm going to create a one more option, that is cancelled. So just copy it and paste it here. So order is 60, you can keep it and insert and stay. Now he will be able to see all options in the state. Okay, these are we have created options, right? So based on these options, if it is state is pending, that the record will be showed under the module which is we have created before this creating. Okay, so working progress means that will become under the specific module. So resolved means whatever the records are resolved, then that will come under the one module, which is we have created in the specifically. So this one, okay. This means we have what exactly we have given title unassigned and open. This means we can select the, just you can refresh, just save it. Once we save it, then we will be just modify again. So here just none is there. So open, state is open, and assigned to me means assigned to me assigned to me means not is empty. Then this condition definitely it will be pass. I mean it will be passed for the, I mean, you satisfied with the this content, right? Unassigned. Unassigned means the assigned to field is empty. That it means unassigned to field is empty. Open means the record is open. Then I have created state is open and assigned is empty. This means unassigned. This means state is open. Okay. Now the condition is satisfied. Now just I will insert and stay. Same thing we have applied in previous, right? That only I am doing now. Just insert and stay. And here uh, resolved, I am going to update resolved. So whatever the instance are resolved, that will be come under this module. Okay. So now just visible is same everything, and here list records only we have selected same thing, and we need to change the filters. Just remove this, and the result you can select it, and just come under the order is 50, and just insert and stay. That's it. Now you can refresh it once. Now this one result we have created all. Finally, this all module is there, right? Just I'm going to create it now. Once I have created, and everything will show what we have made development. Just I want to give a surprise. Once we have created all models, and I will show you here. I will directly show you here. I will show you here. Okay, for applications. As of now, almost the starting of the session, and as of now, we have created multiple modules and applications, right? Application, right? So that will be just in end of this session. I will type it that our application name. Then definitely you will be able to see all modules which we have created just now. Okay. Then this is the process of how we can create the application. Like that, you will come to know. Okay. Don't worry about it. Now I will create with this all module. I mean option module. Once we have created, and I will show you the testing. How, I mean, whatever we have done right as of now, that will show you that. Okay. That will show you. That's it. And the this one is 60 order, and all means all incident will be appear. All incidents are come under this. That's it. Now I need to remove this, because just the mentioned model is all right. So there is no need to keep any conditions here. Just save it. That's it. Okay. Sorry, certain stay. That's it. Now you can see that our application. Just I will close all tabs which are we have created now. That's it. Just you can refresh it once. Just because what we have made development right will be refreshed, and if you type it now, the 100% should be come here. So, so just I will type it that service now. Exactly. Now it can write. So we have created the module service now. practice application. Yeah, that I mean APP means application, right? So now you can see that under the ServiceNow practice application, then create to assign to me and open, unassigned open, and oh, okay, I maybe was duplicated with create unassigned to open, but no problem, we can delete it. But apart from this unassigned to and open module, so every module we have created, right? All models we have, all option model created, resolved module also created, unassigned to open, that also created, open also created, and assigned to me also created, create new also created. So I hope guys, and the perfectly, we have created that modules. Anyway, I'm going to delete this one, just edit module, right? So sometimes I'm in every module I'm just giving the hint, right? Hint means just come here. If you go on this cursor on ServiceNow practice app, it will give some hint. So you can see that. See the right side of that, it has created application. This is the hint. Okay. This, sorry, just a second. So you can see that Venkat has created this one. Create new means end user will create the new record. So for every module and every application, so just we need to give the hint, and once you cursor go on that, then it will give the hint. What exactly purpose of this application or module and everything, it will give the hint, but you need to give the hint while you are creating that application or module. Okay, so this is the process as of now. uh, as I created here duplicate, I'm just going to dilute it. So just you need to click on that, just you need to click on that, this one. Once you click on that, it will show you here like this. Here we have delete option, right? So just you can dilute it, that's it. Once you have diluted, then it will be diluted, and there is no vacancy again. Okay, so now you can see that create new, assign to me and open, assign unassigned to and open, and resolve all. That's it. There is no duplicacy, right now under the application. Sorry, no practice application. I hope you got it that everything. So I hope guys. So I don't have any questions as of now. So I for this, I mean, in this session, just I have covered all things related to how we can create the, I mean, how we can create the application, and the application. So how we can create the modules based on the records. Okay. So as of now, I have covered, and by tomorrow, I am going to discuss about the config dictionary. So config dictionary means for every field we will have that specifications and features of that field, and we can make it read only, or we can make it mandatory, and we can make it display, and we can make it some like a default and something. We have like multiple features are there, properties, we can call it that, properties and features and everything we can call it. So I'm going to discuss about the config dictionary in coming session, like tomorrow session. Okay, thank you guys.